Hi, so in this video, I'm going to talk about LeetCode 136 single number. So for this question, you are given a non-empty array of integers. For example, for this one, you're given 2, 2, 1, and you're going to return the element that appears once. And for this, in this case, it's 1, right? So you're just going to return 1. So for this one, 4 appears 1, so you're going to return 4. And in every input, there will be only one element that appears once. For the rest, it appears twice. So for this question, we have two approaches. The first one is the set, and then the second one is using the exclusive OR. So for the first one, we have this array here. So this is our array. And then we can create a set. Maybe you can call it scene. You're going to look through the element inside this array, right? So if the element is inside this set, you're going to remove it from the set. If it's not, you're just going to add it to the set. For example, for the first iteration, 4 is not in the set, so you're just going to add it. 1 is also not in the set, add it. 2 is also not. Then for this one, 1 is inside the set, right? So you're going to remove it. And 2 is inside the set, so you're going to remove it. And at the end, just going to convert the set to a list and return the first element, which is the only element inside the set. For the other elements, we have two same elements, right? For example, 1, 1, and 2, 2 here. So it will definitely cancel out and it will not be in the set. Only those that appears 1 will be inside the set. So this is the approach. At first, you create a set, scene set, and we'll look through the numbers. So if numbers is inside the set, we're gonna remove it from the set. If it's not inside the set, we're just gonna add it to the set. And at the end, if there's an element inside the set, so if there's element inside the set, if seen, you're gonna return. So you're gonna convert this set to a list first and then return the first element. If not, just gonna return none. So when you run this, it's accepted. And for the second approach, it's used by using the exclusive OR. So for exclusive OR, you only return true if two bits are different. So for example, let's revise the truth table. So this is your truth table here. And for the first one, you could it's like 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 0, 0. So for this one, it's only true when two bits are different. So in this case, this two are the same because one it will be 0. And for the middle two, they're different, so 1. And then for the last one, 0. So this is the small revision for your discrete mathematics. Then first, we're gonna create, like just initialize this result with 0. You're gonna look through the numbers, and then you will XOR with the result every time. So for example, for the first round, 4 in bits are 0, 1, 0, 0. So result, when you XOR 0, 1, 0, 0 with 0, it will be 0, 1, 0 as well. And then for the second iteration, it's a 1 here. So it becomes 0, 1, 0, 1 because 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1, right? And then you know the last bit that difference, you can add a 1 here. And same for 2, it will be 0, 0, 1, 0. XOR with this, it will become 0, 1, 1, 1. And for the fourth iteration, since it's a 1 here, 1 and 1, they're the same, so you're gonna cancel out. And for the last iteration, you're gonna cancel out the 2, this 1 here, because 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0, so it becomes 0, 1, 0, 0. And at the end, just gonna return result, which will be the element that appears only once, which is 4 here, right? So you might wonder, what if our array is like, our array is 1, 3, 3. What if our array is something like this? Then for the at first the result is 0, right? So for the first round, it becomes 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And then for the second iteration, it'll be 3 is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, right? So when you XOR this, it'll become 0, 0, 1, 0. But then if you XOR with 3 again, it'll become 0, 0, 0, 1. And when you return result, it's still an element that appears once. So this is the beauty of bitwise operation. So it will be very simple code. So first, just gonna create the result, and then you look through all the numbers, and then the result XOR none. And you're just going to return the result, that's it. So for bitwise operation, it'll be a bit harder to understand compared to the previous approach, but it's very simple and it's also faster. And that's it for this video. Thank you.